Hello and welcome to a new video. Before I jump right into the comparison of the 1080p 30 frames videos of the Morange M1 Pro and the DJI Pocket 2, a quick comparison of the technical specification. Let's see which of the both cameras is the better one just by the numbers. For the Morange M1 Pro, we have a sensor of 1/2.3, 12 megapixel CMOS and 116-degree field of view with a lens of f2.8. The ISO range is 100 to 3200 and it records the video with a maximal bitrate of 100 megabits per second. The video resolution the Morange M1 Pro records is 4K at 24, 30 and 60 frames, 2K at 24, 30 and 60 frames and Full HD 1080p at 24, 30 and 60 frames. Just for comparison, the DJI Pocket 2 in fact is better in nearly every number. With the DJI Pocket 2 we get a sensor of 1/1.7, 64 megapixel CMOS, only 93-degree field of view, that is less than the Morange M1 2, and the Morange M1 2 does advertise with some kind of a distortion-free wide-angle lens. We will see if those commercial is true. The DJI Pocket has a lens f1.8, ISO goes from 100 to 6400, maximum bitrate is also 100 megabits per second, and the Pocket 2 records videos in 4K at 24, 25, 30, 48, 50 and 60 frames, 2.7K at 24, 25, 30, 48, 50 and 60 frames, and Full HD video 1080p and 24, 25, 30, 48, 50 and 60 frames. Oh, that was a lot of numbers. So quick, the way how I filmed it. As the boss don't have a tripod mount, I mean, I can add the tripod mount adapter, but as I don't have tripod mount, I put them in my hands and did hold them in this way. Let's turn them on. I did hold them in this way. Also, so far from me, that was the way how I record the video at tilt lock mode. So at 1080p 30 frames at around maybe 40 centimeter far from my body. So let's have a look how the footage compares. Which one is the better? Oh, no, not really the better camera. By the numbers, it's clear already the DJI Pocket 2 is the better camera, but as the Morange M1 Pro cost only 100 euros, and this baby cost nearly 400. Is the Pocket 2 4 times better than the Morange M1? Or compared to its original launch price from something between 200-250 euro, is the Pocket 2 at least 2 times better? We will find out. Let's go over to the video. Test DJI Pocket 2, Soundtest Morange M1 Pro. Both cameras at 1080, 30 frames. Windy. Okay, that's it. Write down in the comments which footage you like best, the Morange M1 Pro on the left or the footage of the DJI Pocket 2 on the right. Thanks for watching, leave a comment, like the video and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye!